Music is not just a field of entertainment, but also a massive revenue-generating industry. In today's video, I will share a method that helps you create songs with millions of views and significant income. The special thing is that this method completely utilizes artificial intelligence. Currently, many AI tools can compose music, but I advise you not to rely entirely on them. The reason is that AI-created songs often lack professionalism and cannot convince your audience. Instead, in this video, I will guide you on how to use AI tools differently to create professional songs. Then, I will show you how to upload these songs to Spotify and other streaming platforms, thereby setting up a passive income source. So, what is this method? Watch the video till the end to find out. The first step is to access the website youtube.com. In the search bar, type "no copyright music" and then use the filter to select channel. You will see many YouTube channels providing royalty-free music. Your task is to search for the best and most listened to songs. For example, I choose the Nefx channel. This channel provides royalty-free music. Now, I will select the song titled "Things I'll Never Miss" from this channel, which currently has nearly 500,000 listens. I will click on the share button and copy the URL of the song. Next, go to the Voicestars website through the link in the description of this video. Voicestars is a website that allows you to cover songs using AI singers' voices. On the website, you will see many different AI singers' voices. Listen to a few AI voices to make a selection.
Yeah, moving like the money is the mission. Come between the paper.
For example, I choose the AI voice of Lil Baby to cover my song. Then, I just need to paste the copied URL of the song from YouTube here, click Fetch, agree to the terms, and finally click Convert. You only need to wait about a minute for the system to convert the song for you. When done, listen to the new melody.
There's things I can't seem to let go, and I feel like I'm all on my own. And some days it gets worse, and the memories hurt.
Then, go back to YouTube and compare it with the original song's melody.
There's things I can't seem to let go.
Now, you just need to download the song to your device. In the download section, you have three options: download both the song and the music, download only the lyrics, or download only the background music. Next, upload your music to streaming platforms to create passive income. There are many services that can support you in this, such as DistroKid, but signing up for DistroKid requires a fee. In this video, I will introduce you to a free service. Access the RouteNote website through the link in the description below. Here, you need to fill in some information to create an account, such as account name, email address, password, security question, and PayPal account. After filling in the information, scroll down, check the two boxes for terms and conditions, and then click Sign Up. When registration is successful, RouteNote will send a confirmation email to activate your account. Go to your email and confirm the activation. To upload your first song, move your mouse to the Distribution tab and select Create New Release. On the next page, you can leave the UPC section blank. In the Release Title section, enter the song title, in this case, Things I'll Never Miss cover. Then click Create Release to move to the next page. On this page, they require you to complete the release by performing 4 steps and filling in the information on each page. The first step is album details. Here, you need to select the language corresponding to the song's language. For example, if your song is in English, select English. Next is the album version section. For the first song, enter the number 1. In the compilation album section, choose No. The artist name section requires you to enter the artist's name. If the artist's name is not in the system, select Create New Profile to add your artist name. In the publishing information section, enter the name of the song's composer. If you are covering a song, enter the original composer's name. In this case, I will enter NFX because my song is a cover. For the question, does this release have lyrics? Choose yes and enter the composer's name. Finally, the music genre section requires you to enter the song's genre. Fill in the information as guided. Then click Save and Next to complete. The next step is to add audio. You just need to upload the song covered by the AI singer. At this step, RootNote only accepts MP3 audio files. Therefore, open Google and search for Convert WAV to MP3. If the song upload process encounters an error, you can follow these steps. First, access the website mentioned in the description. Then, upload your song. Here, adjust the sound quality bar to the highest level. Next, click on Advanced Settings and select the 320 kilobits per second option. Finally, click the Convert button. This way, you will be able to successfully upload your song without errors. In step 3, add image. You need to upload an image with a size of 3000 x 3000 pixel. To create the album cover, I will use Leonardo AI. Access Leonardo, choose the 1:1 image ratio, then enter the prompt. Create an album cover image for a standout hip-hop rap song featuring a combination of urban, musical, and personality elements. Ensure the image reflects the dynamic, creative, and signature style of this genre. Upload the image, save it, and continue to the next step. The final step is store management. Here, check Select All Stores. Note that in the YouTube Content ID section, you are not allowed to check it because the music is not created by you. Scroll down, click Save, and Continue. Now, just accept the terms and choose to distribute. If you choose the free distribution package, you will receive 85% of the revenue. If you choose the paid package, you will receive 100%. After the music is distributed on the platforms, you can track the revenue reports. Statistics will be published on the 1st of the following month and 15 days after the end of the month, meaning you will receive January's statistics on March 15th. Your income will accumulate until it reaches $50, after which you will be fully paid via PayPal, unless you close your account. Alright, now let's talk about our Voicestar tool. According to their information, we can make money from covers by uploading them to streaming platforms. Let's take a look at their pricing. Currently, Voicestar offers 2 versions with 2 different prices. The basic version costs $8.99 per month, comes with 25 credits, equivalent to 25 conversions with basic voices. The premium version costs $24.99 per month, provides 100 credits for 100 conversions, and allows the use of premium voices. A few limitations here are that they do not offer a free version, but you can start with a small investment to join in making money. Alright, I will end the video here. If you have any difficulties creating cover songs or uploading them to the platforms, leave your questions in the comments section. Thanks for watching.